Hi guys, Diesel Johnny Boy here. Just a quick one. I'm doing up a British Seagull at the moment. It's the little one, a 40 plus. We've got the barrel off. Now look at this corrosion. So you've got galleries here, here and here and here. They were all completely crudded up. You wouldn't even know they were there, so I sanded it down a bit. And you can see the outline of them, but they're completely blocked up with rust and corrosion. It's built like a thick skin. So it's a word of warning for any of you that have got British Seagull outboard motors of an age. The water will carry on coming up into there. Water comes up into there, and it will just circulate straight around and drop right out. Because this gallery was clear, so it'll give the false impression that your engine is actually running well with the water cooling it, but actually these are completely blocked up. So I don't know, I'm not a Seagull expert, I've only just literally got this little one, but I guess that can't be right with that all crudded up. So we're gonna clean that all out and get those cleaned out, and then the water can hopefully circulate more freely. All right, just a quick one there anyway, over and out.